Hi friends, we are so happy that you are today with us. And right now we will show you how to make your profile public on Snapchat. So let's go to the watching. First and foremost, we need to open our Snapchat app, and when you are on this central section, we need to go to the account settings after tapping on this icon at the corner. And we have a lot of different features, options, but we are only interested in this section like public profile, and let's tap on the create public profile feature. We have two notifications about what is the public profile and what benefits this feature will give you in your blog. So if you really want to create such a profile, let's tap on the get started. And as you can check here and read, after activation this public mode, all your Snapchats, your photos, videos, etc. you will public here will be visible for everyone and with your nickname inscription. So yes, if you want and if you are agree with that, let's tap on the create. And well done. As you can check right now, your profile is absolutely it's public. So you can check it after picking on this option here again. So you can also edit your profile here. You can manage your location. Also, you can disable the visible option of your subscriber count to show or to hide it from others. You can also add some image, some profile picture if you want, and later you can check how this profile looks like for others after picking on this preview profile feature. Yes. So it's really very interesting that Snapchat app gives you an option to check your account from others' accounts, like how it looks like, to understand your blog viewing, your blog style, and it's very helpful. So guys, I hope that our video was helpful too, and right now you know how to create this public profile account on this application. And don't forget about likes and subscribe to our channel to find out later even more cool videos about the Snapchat and other apps. So goodbye, bye bye.